Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another neat trick for you. In my last video, I discussed the Surface Data SPC tool and how you could observe the variation of your data across n number of pieces. In this video, I'm going to continue that discussion. And just like how you saw, we could display an average deviation as well as any other statistical deviations. I want to create a statistical model of this data set. And I want to use that for reverse engineering purposes or any other engineering studies outside of PolyWorks. To create that data set, if I'm using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I'll navigate to the Data Objects toolbox, create data objects from Surface Data SPC. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I'll navigate to the Review tab, SPC, Surface Data, Create Data Objects. And that will display a new window in my dialog box where I could title the name of my new data set, what type of model am I interested in creating, as well as a polygonal model or a point cloud type. I'll go ahead and create average and polygonal model and create. I'll close this tool, and you'll now see I have an average model of the 5 samples. Thank you for watching.